Have you ever wondered why Bitcoin's price suddenly goes up and then crashes? In this video, I'll explain why Bitcoin price moves in the simplest way possible. Bitcoin price moves because of one simple rule: supply and demand. When more people want to buy Bitcoin, the price goes up. When more people want to sell, the price goes down. Crypto news plays a big role. Positive news like Bitcoin ETF approval or big companies buying Bitcoin can push prices up. Negative news like regulations, hacks, or bans can push prices down. Large investors, also called whales, can move the market. When they buy or sell large amounts, the price reacts quickly. Fear and greed control the crypto market. When people are greedy, prices rise. When people panic, prices fall. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. This limited supply makes Bitcoin valuable over time. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. If you want to understand crypto without hype, subscribe to FutureCoin News for simple crypto education.